Welcome or welcome back to another Sunday practice, or whenever you're tuning into this video. Allow this guided meditation to be a really quiet start to your day. Let's cultivate a sense of spaciousness in a really simple way together. So wherever you are, just take a moment to find a comfortable seat, something that feels really natural for your body and for your spine. You might sit cross-legged on the floor, on a cushion, or on a chair with your feet grounded. And from that space, let your spine grow really tall, but not in a rigid way. Allow the shoulders to relax down away from the ears, melting away any tension. Soften the jaw and allow the chin to be parallel to the ground. And rest your hands on your knees or on your thighs, with the palms facing up or down, whatever feels most natural to you today. And gently close your eyes. Take a really slow and easy breath in through the nose from the belly. And sigh it out through your mouth. And again, inhale deeply. Let the air move down into your belly. And exhale, releasing anything that doesn't need to come with you into the day. And one more time, deep and nourishing inhale in. And a long, effortless exhale out. Soften everything back down. And start to breathe naturally again. Just witness your breath. It's really steady, it's quiet, it's always here. And really take a moment here to just observe how your breath is so naturally nourishing. Imagine it like a fresh glass of water for your mind. It just naturally clears and cleanses. And as you settle into this space more and more, just notice any tension in your face, in your jaw, in your shoulders, in your belly, in your back, in your lower body, like really anywhere. Notice how with each natural inhale and exhale, this tension slowly starts to melt away. You become so aware of the subtle sensations. It's almost like you can sense a buzzing and tingling sensation in these areas. And it just softens and softens over and over again with every breath. And we'll now settle into a bit of silence. I know it can feel so daunting, but I'll leave you with a really simple affirmation. I am here. And repeat this like a really gentle whisper in the back of your mind. Allow yourself to hear it. Don't think it. If you're forcing yourself to think it, you might start to feel a lot of tension in your temples, in the frontal part of your brain. And if that's the case, just take a deep inhale in and exhale. Hear it at the back of your mind. I am here. And as your mind wanders, which it naturally will, that's its nature, notice it and come back to the affirmation without judgment. And I find it really helpful to also imagine my thoughts as small bubbles rising really slowly from my subconscious up to the surface. You can just watch them float upward and fade away. So soften into the silence with your affirmation. You won't be here for that long. And slowly start to become aware of your breath again, letting the affirmation dissipate with your next exhale. Just come back into your body, feel any tingling sensations, maybe move intuitively if that's what you feel called to do. And before you open your eyes, I really would love to read you a passage from A Morning Offering by John O'Donohue from his book Benedictus. It's like a little blessing for the day. It's just a little snippet. So all we have to do is stay anchored in this space, absorbing whatever words resonate most with you. I place on the altar of dawn the quiet loyalty of breath, the tent of thought where I shelter and all beauty drawn to the eye. May my mind come alive today to the invisible geography that invites me to new frontiers, to break the dead shell of yesterdays and to risk being disturbed unchanged. May I have the courage today to live the life that I would love, to postpone my dream no longer, but do at last what I came here for, and waste my heart on fear no more. And allow that to settle for a moment. Maybe starting to bring really gentle movement back to your body. Take another conscious deep breath in from your belly. Let it rise all the way up to the crown of your head. And exhale with pursed lips. Slowly blink your eyes back into this physical space. Does it feel a little different? Do you feel more anchored into it? Do you feel less stressed? Do you feel the infinite possibilities that could arise today in all its simplicity? And if you're indoors, I encourage you to take a moment to just look outside your window and observe and take in what you see. What's the weather like today? What magic is there in the air? For me, I'm at that sweet spot in autumn where all the leaves are really yellow and they're all starting to fall down. And the sunlight is making them look golden. It's just so beautiful. When they're falling really gently in the breeze, they look like specks of gold. It's so beautiful. I hope you have a beautiful day. And if it gets too overwhelming, just come back to the affirmation, I am here, and come back to your breath. Always. If you'd like to support this work, I've set up a Ko-fi page. There is no pressure at all, but that is the place you can send a tip if you do feel the call. If this video helped you, consider giving it a like, leaving a comment, letting me know how you feel, subscribing for more soothing Sunday sessions. It can be a lovely way to end and start your week feeling a little more refreshed. And consider sharing with a friend who might need a little extra TLC today. Follow me on my new Instagram page for shorter practice ideas, and I'll see you next Sunday for another soothing practice. Until then, take it slow.